Menteri Sarkar Pedang badai pej iki kam jungok kai perthai Rakesh Sinha mentaka singi ulaong bagi brio kila sedang bantip syapang kasnong khat arsnong kabadan hakitan sora. Menteri ulayo thoru baladon hado khandai sien kijing keren syapang kasnong kongthong hapo kayeng dorbar tauan parlimen. Ulaya thoru bah kita kijing jubab jingkeli uladawa bakasnong kongthong kade berlong kabala itu daka United Nation Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization kom kasnong ban penne pensa yala kajong clarity.
It is pride for the Kongthong. In 9 times Kongthong has been mentioned in the parliamentary debate questions, more than 9 times since I adopted this village. And in my speech also I take the name of Kongthong and Kalgaon. I last time Kongthong and Kalahandi. And 2 questions for Kongthong. I demanded that it should be intangible cultural heritage of UNESCO. The Kosko village in Turkey is a part of the intangible cultural heritage. And I am surprised that before 2019, even the researchers and the university administrators of NEHU were oblivious about the Kongthong. Even politicians were not knowing about the Kongthong. So this was shocking for me. But it is not a competitive thing, it is a cooperative thing. Sometimes you know, I don't know, sometimes I know, so I don't blame her. As a citizen of India, I consider every inch of the land is Bharat Mata. And the strengthening of Bharat Mata is not a slogan. Strengthening the people of the particular region is Bharat Mata. Yes, soon I will come. This time I will come and stay 2 days, 2 nights, 2 days there. I am sending some researchers there. I sent 2 researchers earlier. I hired 2 great scholars who had done this survey of the health survey, and we are planning to open the virtual clinic where the patient will be examined there and doctor will see from Shillong. Because practicality, I don't find that doctors are regularly going. So I am going by the practical thing, not this pseudo-ideal thing. So virtual clinic would soon be open, and I am trying to solicit the support of some CSR and other donations so that schools should be reconstructed. What is the problem? That is a plain land is lacking in Kongthong. But whatever the school is, that I want to construct the school, reconstruct the school, which should be best in Meghalaya. Best in Meghalaya. And also I am asking them to create a dictionary of Khasi, so that the Hindi people, English people should know Khasi. These are long-term plans. One more thing I am planning for these people, that 10 guides should be prepared. 10 guides from Kongthong and nearby villages. So they should know the South Indian languages, Hindi, Tamil, other languages. So that any part of the people come, they should also learn some, most of the people who are coming outside the country, which country tourists coming more, so that language. So we'll do in the long term. First, my first thing was to win the confidence of the people that I belong to them. And I am coming with a genuine humanitarian and as a public representative purpose. I think every public representative, instead of sitting in the Delhi or the state capital in a big places, should go to the villages, intermingle the most common people, whether he is a voter or not a voter. You meet them, you go there. Last day I went to a family. Her daughter was studying Vasida in 11th class student. I mingled with her mother, her brother, her sisters. I stayed 1 hour. I went to a shop, I purchased something. So confidence generation and trust deficit must be ended.